Welcome to Jams, a channel dedicated to BMW enthusiasts. How to remove dashboard BMW E60 5 Series. What you need to do and how to do it properly to complete this job. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to remove the dashboard on a BMW E60 5 Series, what tools you need, and how to do everything safely and correctly. First, start by removing the glove box. Once that's out, take out the cup holders if your car is equipped with them. They are held in place by 2 screws at the front and 1 underneath the dashboard. Next, remove the hazard light button and the central locking button. After that, disconnect the battery to prevent any electrical issues or error codes. Now move on to the central dashboard trim that includes the air vents. Gently pull it towards you to release it from the clips. Unscrew and remove the central unit that contains the climate control and CIC system, depending on your car's configuration. Unfortunately, the car owner was present during the dashboard disassembly, and this entire video is actually filmed during reassembly but played in reverse. To remove that module, in the area where I press with my fingers, there are the fastening points you need to act on to avoid breaking that plastic frame. Be careful here. There are specific pressure points where you need to press to release the clips without breaking the plastic frame. Once removed, disconnect all electrical connectors from the back. Continue by removing the gear shifter trim and the surrounding plastic frame. Pull them up gently, disconnect the gear position indicator. And then remove the iDrive controller. Take out the ashtray. If you need to move the gear selector, there is a small red release tab inside. Activating it allows you to move the shifter without turning on the ignition. Next, remove the trim pieces by unscrewing them. These parts are not very tight, so a gentle pull is usually enough. Pay attention to the clip locations. The CIC module is held in place by 4 screws. Remove them. Then carefully disconnect all wiring, including antenna and fiber optic connections. Remove the screws securing the ashtray support. Then take out the central frame that holds the climate and CIC modules. Now move to the steering wheel. To remove the airbag, insert a TX20 screwdriver into the hole underneath and release the retaining clip. After that, remove the steering wheel covers, as well as the indicator, wiper, and cruise control stalks. Continue removing the steering column trim carefully to avoid breaking any clips. Next, remove the ignition key slot. and the headlight control module. For the left air vent, undo the 2 screws and gently pull it out. Remove the Start/Stop button. Then take out the central display by removing its screws and disconnecting the wiring. Remove the instrument cluster. From underneath, remove all dashboard mounting screws on both sides. Then undo the 4 10mm nuts. It's a good idea to place a towel over nearby parts to avoid scratches. Finally, lift the dashboard, tilt it slightly backward, and carefully remove it from the car without touching or damaging the seats or interior trim. That's it, the dashboard is now removed. I hope you found this video useful. I'll be back soon with more interesting videos. To make sure you don't miss more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.